Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make electrical inverter house wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Room 1, room 2, room 3 and room 4. Solar panels, controllers, batteries, inverter, DP-MCB circuit breaker, single pole circuit breakers, another DP-MCB circuit breaker, switch, dimmer and socket, 3-pin power socket, bulb 1, fan, bulb 2, another room switches, socket, bulb 1, fan, bulb 2, series connection between two solar panel, positive connection from solar panel to connect controller, negative connection from solar panel to connect controller, positive connection connect to battery, another series connection between two battery, negative connection connect to another battery, output connection from controller to connect DP-MCB, output connection from DP-MCB to connect inverter, output connection from inverter to connect DP-MCB, output connection from DP-MCB to connect circuit breakers, output connection from circuit breakers to connect socket, another room socket, again output connection from another circuit breaker to connect switches and sockets, another connection between switch and fan regulator, output connection from switch to connect bulb 1, output connection from fan regulator to connect fan, output connection from another switch to connect bulb 2, output connection from circuit breakers to connect switch and 2-pin socket, another connection between switch fan regulator, output connection from switch to connect bulb 1, output connection from fan regulator to connect fan, output connection from another switch to connect bulb 2, neutral connection input to socket, neutral connection input to bulb 1 and bulb 2, neutral connection to fan, again neutral connection to 3-pin socket, another neutral connection to room 4 socket, neutral connection to 3-pin socket, again neutral connection to bulb 1 and bulb 2 and fan connection, earthing connection input to room 3 fan, earthing connection input to room, again earthing connection to socket, earthing connection input to room 4 fan, again room 4 3-pin socket. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.